Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my take on a popular Mexican finger food, Baja Shrimp Tacos. Light, crispy, and amazingly tasty, these are perfect to enjoy this summer. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and add the shrimp to a medium bowl. To this, we'll add olive oil, but canola is another option. Then ancho chili powder, not chili powder. And I explained the difference on the blog, so check it out. Followed by ground cumin, a couple pressed garlic cloves, a little bit of ground sea salt, and hot sauce of your choice. I like using Cholula, but Valentina is a great substitute. We'll stir everything until the prawns are well coated and set aside for now while we look after the salsa. In another bowl, we'll combine red onions, some finely diced jalapeno peppers, then a diced Roma tomato, a large avocado, diced as well, and to prevent them from turning brown, we'll pour in some freshly squeezed lime juice. We'll give a good stir to coat before seasoning with ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. Once again, we'll stir to blend and set aside until needed. Today, I'm using an electric indoor nonstick grill, although a skillet on the stovetop is another way to go. If you opt for the barbecue, you'll have to thread the shrimp on skewers. We'll start by warming up the tortillas and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which the setting on the stovetop is medium-high heat. Then here are our well-seasoned shrimp, and we'll grill them in a single layer. It won't take that long, maybe 2.5 to 3 minutes at the most, flipping halfway through. If they're overcooked, their texture will turn rubbery, and we certainly don't want that. Just before serving, we'll add chopped cilantro to our salsa and mix it in. To assemble, we'll spoon the salsa in a warm tortillas, place 3 shrimp on top of each, and garnish with red cabbage. We'll serve with crema or sour cream and lime wedges. And my friends, these are our Baja Shrimp Tacos. Super quick and easy to make, this tasty Mexican finger food is the perfect meal to enjoy this summer. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!